Hello, welcome to Lexington High School. I'm Ryan Poole and I'm the very proud principal here at LHS. We wanted to invite you to join us for a virtual open house this year because we weren't able to have a traditional one. Typically at open house, our parents and our community are welcomed into our school to put a face with the name of their teachers, to hear a little bit about what's going on in class, and to kind of walk through a typical day with their students. So we're excited that you're here for open house with us. Come on into Lexington High and walk through a day with your student.
Hey Sarah, glad to see that you got your ID on and your mask.
Yes, sir.
You need some hand sanitizer? Looks like you're ready for the day.
Thank you.
Have a great day at Lexington High School.
Hello, welcome to the Learning Commons. I'm Miss Oswald, your school librarian.
My name is Mrs. Fear. I'm one of the library assistants here. When you want to check out a book from your launch pad on your MacBook, choose Fall at Destiny and you can place a book on hold.
Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Lawrence, and we'll deliver your books to you during your Empower. For Lula students, we'll check out a time, try to figure out a time, and we'll meet you outside for curbside pickup. Look forward to hearing from you guys.
Hey, I'm Coach Oxley. Welcome to my crib. This is the science lab. Come on in. Hey, here's my student Owen. Oh, what you up to?
I'm doing some science experiments. I'm gonna put this zinc in this acid. It's very safe.
And I like to see that you're wearing your goggles.
Yeah, I'm wearing, there's plenty of safety in this room, you know. Very safe, so I'm gonna not put it in right. Okay, look. We do all kinds of cool science reactions here in chemistry.
Oh, and that looks amazing.
It really is, Coach Oxley. I'm so glad that you did this with me.
Great. Shall we try another one?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, this is really hot.
looks like we have a clear liquid here.
But
Another clear liquid. Might a chemical reaction occur?
who knows?
I don't know. Oh my goodness! That looks like some lead iodide. How pretty.
I love lead iodide, Coach Oxley.
That's great.
It smells really bad.
Well, thank you all for stopping by. See you again sometime.
Thank you for joining us here at Open House. We're excited about our year. Go Wildcats!